Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. I know we've been MIA and we've been gone for such a long time, and we do apologize for our absence. But hey, y'all, life has been lifing. But we do have brand new videos to bring you. We have a Grinch haul, a DIY, and a cocoa station. So if this is something you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. We're in Hobby Lobby, and we're going to show you the Grinch collection for this year. It's 50% off, and they have some really nice items this year. So we're just going to take you through and show you the collection that Hobby Lobby have this year. For this project, you're going to need a Grinch patch of your choice, some glue sticks, some scissors, a sand block, glue gun, and a Santa Claus hat. So the Santa Claus hat was purchased at Hobby Lobby, and we are going to remove the material that was on the hat. We're going to sand the hat down so it can remove any type of bubbles, debris that the hat may have, so that it can adhere once the cardstock is applied to the surface. We are lining the cardstock so we can get a perfectly even cut. For this part, you could use the material that was already on the hat, but we switched it out for a better quality of material, so to speak. For this part, you can use any type of Grinch patch of your choice. You can make this a Christmas ornament or a display in a cocoa station. Now moving on to the Grinch Cocoa Station, we are setting the tacks in place so that we can put the plaques onto the wall, and we are setting tacks in certain positions so that we can also put the signs onto the wall as well.
Close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.